Still and silent, calm before the storm. Gold and diamond, jewels behind the throne. Into the night, out of the dark, take to the sky, chasing the stars. All that we said, all that we are, waiting to fly. This is the start. Hide and seek, reason and rhyme, grand and glorious. Living the dream, yours and mine, euphoria. Hide and seek, reason and rhyme, grand and glorious. Living the dream, yours and mine, euphoria.
Hi, good day everyone. My name is KARTHIKRAAJAH, son of NADARAJAH. Today we are Group 3 going to present about Infrastructure Asset Inventory and Management in Zone 1, SIREH.
For the introduction, SIREH is a secondary forest build amid rapid development, aims to be a world-class natural heritage park with attraction like Edu Farm and Konopi Villa SIREH Park. It is crucial to provide infrastructure to enhance visitor comfort and experience. The project aims to study the type of infrastructure asset available in SIREH Park using GIS to determine their location and distribution around the park. And for this study, we have three elements of infrastructure, which is infrastructure, utilities, and facilities. Infrastructure means the basic physical structures and facilities for the operation of a society. For the utilities refers to essential service to the public, which is necessities for daily life. And the last one is facilities. Typical shows the physical location, structure, or an area. This is designed for purpose.
This is the topic of literature review related to our project. First topic is Implementation of Interactive GIS System for Facility and Asset Management, Ministry of Education inquired. This project area at Abu Alifah High School. The main objective is build a comprehensive multi-objective geodatabase for different elements of school assets and facility on building. The data and layer used for this project is AutoCAD drawing, also a geodatabase dataset such as air conditioning, electricity, firefighting, water supply, security system, sound system, and also telecommunication. Next topic is development of a web GIS system for asset management of land and building in Median City. The Median City located at Indonesia, and the main objective of this project is to develop a web-based geography information system for the management of land and build asset in Median City. The data and layer used is utilize a relations database for storing asset details. More than 400 land building asset data with 17 asset category were included in the application. The last topic is GIS facilities management, a case study of a U block in Kenya Polytechnic University College. This project area at Kenya Polytechnic University, Nairobi City. The main objective of this project is create a GIS conceptual database scheme for facility management, identify service utilities within the U block of proper facility management, also select appropriate GIS database tools. And the data and layer used this project is location, attribute data for georeferencing, floor plan, and also room. The software used for this project is ArcGIS and also an Excel.
So there are three main objectives for our project. The first one, we want to identify the asset inventory and their management in SIREH Park for Zone 1 area. Second objective, we want to create a database for each of the asset infrastructure inventory and management. And the last one, we want to visualize the asset infrastructure data using maps or in the web page. So for our scope of data, we have infrastructure that consists trail and walkway, tower road, and also parking area. For the utilities, we have drainage, lamppost, electric pole, hydrant, manhole, and the last one, the telecommunication tower. And the last data we use for facilities where we have surau, shop lot, office, shelter, monument area, view tower, glamping, and also clubhouse. So there are six methodology in our group for the project. So we start with the literature review. Second, we did some URA or user requirement analysis with the stakeholder, where we did some online interview, and also we had distributed questionnaire form using Google Form. So we also had create master data list. The next one, we had create a database design where we use ERD as our method. And then we had also collect some data where we did some fieldwork and also site visit to collect all the assets inventory data. And then we also had processed the data where we create a geodatabase. We create also feature class where we had 23 layer and we did digitization. As for the result, there are five results for our project. Where the first one, we had geodatabase of asset infrastructure in Zone 1 SIREH Park. Second, we had asset infrastructure distribution map in Zone 1 SIREH Park. Third, we have toilet maintenance map. Fourth, we had also trail maintenance map. And the last one, we have a pipeline maintenance map.
Moving on to the result and finding, this is our master data list. As can you see that have entity, attributes, and special object. Special object is represented by the point, line, and polygon, and also the primary key tag characteristic units. This is our conceptual model, entity relationship diagram for asset inventory spatial database in Zone 1 SIREH Park. You can see that it have an entity and the attribute and the process the dimension ones. So as an example, I can provide that Jalanta is near to the drainage and then connect to the parking lot and walkway trail that have their own ID and their attribute. So the next one, asset monument, has the area monument that consists of the monument name, monument ID, location, and the monument asset. Result and finding tree. This is our asset inventory through database. So this is built by the feature data set that is consists the infrastructure, utilities, and facility. For the infrastructure, we have a trail and walkway, tar road, and parking area, just like this map. And the utilities one, you will have a drainage, lamp post, electrical, hydrant, and so on. The last one for the facility, we have a surround, shop lot, office, shelter, monument area, glamping, and the clubhouse. Okay, moving on to the next. This is an example of the geodatabase, the lamppost and walkway for the below. So you can see that the lampposts have the attributes such as lamp ID, height, longitude, latitude, installation date, maintenance cost, and the photo. You can see that they have a null value because we have lacked the information, even though we are going to interview that we did not manage to get the information, so we will provide this stakeholder this database. And then moving on to the trail, you can see that have the trail, the road type, the material, length, and width. This pie chart shows the number of total asset distribution in Zone 1 SIREH Park. The most highest one is the infrastructure with 75.6% with 587 units of assets. And then the lowest one is moving to the facility with 5.8 percentages with 45 units of assets that consist of shop lot, toilets, food tower, office, and so on. Moving to the middle one, 18.6 percentages with 44 units of asset is the utilities. This is overall the digitizing map that we have been drawing for the infrastructure asset inventory in Zone 1. This is stream map and maintenance for September 2023. From the result is the date of maintenance is for September until 7 September 2023, which is the locations at Bukit 2. As you can see the left beside this is the figure of the trail, and the notes is trail control actually in SIREH Park by controlling and monitoring by 2 times in year. Last but not least, this is toilet cleaning map and maintenance for September and January 2024. From the result is the net maintenance for September 2023 was from the 1 September until 50 September, and then to the second week 18 September to the 30 September. So in to January 2024, it was monitoring at the 2 January until 13 January and 16 January until 30 January, which is the location is toilet 1B. Toilet 1B is nearest to the parking B and C, toilet, food truck, and the walkway. For the information, the cleaning toilet in the SIREH Park is conducted once in 2 days. Lastly, this is pipeline map and maintenance, which is we can see that the blue line near to the shop lot have issued the burst pipe on 23 February 2024. So the right one figure is the photo that issue the burst pipe. So the photo is we getting from our interview session with the supervisor of maintenance in-house development team.
Next, I will present impacts and benefits. The benefits. First, improve park infrastructure asset management by creating a geospatial database infrastructure asset inventory. Second, optimizing maintenance schedules and optimizing asset management. And also can help park managers predict repair needs and make strategic decisions to improve park management. Next, the impact is stakeholders can effectively manage spatial data and assets. Second, can easily access and print maps generated through GIS application. And last, can allocate resource effectively. Next, about future recommendations. First, use GIS applications to streamline decision-making process and enhance data-driven insights. Second, develop a proactive maintenance plan based on maintenance map to address infrastructure needs promptly.
In conclusion, our project has achieved a deep understanding of infrastructure asset in Zone 1 of SIREH Park through extensive data collection and also GIS mapping. Our project also highlighted the stakeholder need in implementing the maintenance activity using the GIS for enhancing their management operation. Finally, our utilization of GIS mapping in asset infrastructure inventory as proven by comprehensive geospatial database in supporting evidence-based decision-making and also optimizing operation efficiently within SIREH.